In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Copilot in Expensify. This is a great feature that allows you to delegate access to your account, making it easier for others within your team to assist with expense management. Whether you're sharing responsibilities or just need a helping hand, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. To begin, open your Expensify workspace. This is the central hub where you manage all your financial reporting and expenses, so it's crucial to get familiar with navigating it efficiently. Once you're in your workspace, you're going to want to click on the Account option. This is usually located at the top or along the sidebar, depending on your specific setup. Clicking here will take you to different settings associated with your account. Next, select the Security tab. This section is key because it deals with who can access your account and what permissions they have. Here, you'll see an option that says Add Copilot. Go ahead and click on it. At this point, you need to decide who you want to add as a Copilot. Click on the field to type in the name and email address of the person you're adding. This is an important step, so make sure you input the correct information to avoid any mix-ups. Once you've entered their details, the next part is about setting the level of access you're giving them. It's important to assess the exact permissions they need. This might vary based on the task they're expected to handle on your behalf. Once you've decided on their access level, confirm your selection. Now, click on the Add Copilot button. After doing this, you'll receive an authorization code, which will be sent directly to your registered email address. This is a security measure to verify the changes you've made, ensuring everything is set up correctly and securely. Enter the authorization code when prompted to finalize the addition of your new Copilot. Once these steps are completed and approved, you should be able to see the newly added user under the Copilot Delegated Access menu within the security field. This confirmation signifies that the process has been successfully executed. For a final reference, click on the Highlight option to locate any features or changes if needed. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a Copilot in Expensify. This should make managing expenses quicker and more efficient, allowing your team to collaborate better. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful guides like this.